You can get free crypto airdrops without spending any money, but there's one secret most people miss. Hey there, cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Are you ready to learn how to get your hands on some free crypto? You've heard that right, free crypto. And the best part? You don't need to spend a single penny. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the world of airdrops. What are airdrops, you may ask? Well, it's a distribution of tokens or coins to a particular set of people for free. That's right, free money just for being a part of a specific community or owning a particular cryptocurrency. Airdrops are usually announced through social media platforms like Twitter, Telegram, or Reddit. So make sure you're following your favorite crypto projects to stay updated on any airdrop announcements. Now, let's talk about how you can actually participate in an airdrop. Typically, you'll be asked to complete a task, such as filling out a form or joining a Telegram group. It's that simple. Once you've completed the required task, you'll receive your airdrop tokens directly into your wallet. And just like that, you now have free crypto in your possession. So why do projects do airdrops? It's a way for them to gain exposure and attract potential investors. And for us, it's a fantastic opportunity to get our hands on some free digital assets. And the best part about airdrops is that you can participate in multiple ones, which means more free crypto for you. Just make sure to do your research and only participate in legitimate airdrops. So, what are you waiting for? Start searching for airdrops, join communities, and get yourself some free crypto. You don't need to have any money to start in this game because with airdrops, everyone can join and be rewarded. Remember, it's all about being a part of the crypto community and taking advantage of these fantastic opportunities. Thank you for watching, and happy airdropping.